Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says how to use Biri. Biri in English it simply means lived as a verb in sentences. Our topic today says Biri. Biri means lived. It is a past tense of be. That is live, be, live. This one is Biri. Past tense. It is in past tense, lived. Remember last time we learned about Biri. Biri, live. It is different from Biri. Biri, lived. Let's start. Igbo, English. Number one sentence says, Ego biri otu afọ n'obodo ha, ya na nne ya ochie. Class, I say that. Ego biri otu afọ n'obodo ha, ya na nne ya ochie. Ego biri otu afọ n'obodo ha, ya na nne ya ochie. Meaning, Ego lived 1 year in their village with her grandmother. Ego lived 1 year in their village with her grandmother. Have you now seen that lived means Biri? Biri is a verb that tells us how long someone lived in a particular place. Class, say it. Oh, Biri eba. Meaning, she lived here. It's a pronoun, nochiaha. So you can use O either for female or for male. You can use O either for female or male. So even it, O is our pronoun, nochiaha. Number 3 example says, ha biri n'otu ụlọ mgbe ahụ. Or say that, ha biri n'otu ụlọ mgbe ahụ. Meaning, they lived in one house then. Ha biri n'otu ụlọ mgbe ahụ. Biri means live, and it is a verb, and it is in past tense. It is past tense of be, that is live. Biri is a past tense of be. Why be means live. So don't misuse it with Biri. Biri means live. This one is Biri, past tense of be. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.